Before you start, make sure you use protective eye gear and gloves. Heat the glass with a blow dryer, using the highest setting for more heat. Train the blow dryer on the glass in order to heat the glass and melt the adhesive underneath it. Use a spatula to raise the glass from the wood by inserting it in between the glass and wood. Slowly push it further under the glass as the adhesive melts from the heat of the blow dryer. Make sure that the blow dryer goes all over the glass in order to distribute the heat. When the adhesive under is melted enough and you can raise the glass more, gently pry the glass from the wood. Scrape the adhesive from the wood using the spatula. You can use the blow dryer to melt the adhesive some more while scraping it off. Apply the new adhesive to the wood using a thin zigzagging pattern from left to right starting at the top. Allow the solvents in the adhesive to evaporate for about 7 minutes before applying the glass. When applying the glass, carefully align it to the wood so that you get it to set in its proper place. Make sure to leave a small distance between the glass edge and the wood edge. When you are done applying the glass, use masking tape to keep it in place as it dries. Leave it for about 24 hours to make sure that the glue has hardened well and the glass will not move around.